Model, 2011 Ford Transit 115 T350l Rwd Tdci 115 Duratorq long wheelbase, jumbo low mileage fresh MOT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 65,580. MOT, the 27th of November 2025. Engine, 2401 cc Tdci 115 PS DURATORQ-E. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox changes gear well and pulls in all gears. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, reversing camera, 3 keys, electric windows, cruise control. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.